First thing you want to do when you're going under mode 6 is go to mode 5, okay, and then okay. Then you go under mode and hit number 6. It appears now that you went into mode 5. Press OK.
Stop! This training video on Bizerba equipment is provided as a customer service to Vande scale customers who have purchased Bizerba product from Vande scales in the past. Since 2015, Vande scales has stopped selling Bizerba and designed our own wayprice labeling product so that we can properly support our valued customers. The Vande scales wayprice labeling product is specifically designed to endure the rigors of the processing plant environment, being extremely robust. The Vande scales wayprice labeling equipment is designed to be lower cost to purchase, easier and simpler to operate, much lower cost to maintain, much lower cost to service, and easily serviced by your own technicians while being washdown capable and extremely durable. We have felt your wayprice labeling pain over the years and promise not to overprice parts or services, keep the design simple, and use normal industry available parts. Vande Scales still has a large inventory of Bizerba parts that we will eagerly offer substantial discounts to you on. If you have not explored the Vande Scales wayprice labeling equipment, you owe it to yourself to have a look. We are confident that once you understand the advantages, you will purchase Vande Scales wayprice labeling product.
And this password is okay. And now the first one we'll talk about is your weigh types. Click on that. You want it to be in pounds by 0.01. You press OK. Your scale range is going to be at 15 pounds. So 15 pounds by 0.01 or 6 kg by 2 grams. Press OK. And then under approval, we want to, for verified operation, we want to make sure that says not verified. Then you press back, and for verification parameter, that should say for it being protected as set to yes when you're done calibrating. And then for a high resolution display, that is used to see scale in 0.001. So that's going to be set without. If we set with, then you can see a better weighing average on the screen.